The 2018 Silverado HD receives small styling updates such as a new grille design on the High Country and Z71 models. Chevy also revised the Z71 and 4x4 graphics. The crew cab adds Cajun red tint coat, Havana metallic, and iridescent pearl tricoat as paint choices. The entry-level weight now has a standard 7.0-inch MyLink touchscreen. A backup camera is also added to all models with a cargo box. The tire pressure monitoring system now includes a tire fill alert feature that provides an audible warning to indicate the tire is full when being inflated. What was new for 2017? The Duramax diesel was thoroughly revised in 2017. It became more refined and more powerful, with a 19% increase in torque. The drivetrain received more robust components, and the Allison 6-speed automatic transmission was given a higher torque capacity. A new hood scoop induction system became standard on all models. GM's Teen Driver feature, which enables parental monitoring of their kids' driving behavior, became standard, too. The first ever Alaskan Edition package included the Snowplow Prep package, upgraded wheels and tires, trailer towing mirrors, distinctive graphics, and more. New exterior colors were graphite metallic and pepper dust metallic, and unique 20-inch wheels became available on the LTZ. The High Country, the most luxurious trim, added a jet black and medium ash gray interior. Trims and options we'd choose. We kept our Silverado 2500 HD lean and mean by choosing the most sensible options. The practical LT trim paired with the crew cabin standard box starts at $44,225. Equip it with 4-wheel drive, $3,295. For added traction and the Duramax diesel and Allison transmission, $9,005. For their performance and towing capability, and the total jumps to $56,525. Standard crew cab LT features include 8.0-inch MyLink touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, remote keyless entry, adaptive steering. The Z71 Appearance Off-Road Package, $640, is a bargain with its upgraded shocks, all-terrain tires, unique interior and exterior accents, a trailering package, and more. But Chevy requires $775 of additional equipment to add it to the LT trim. Other helpful options include 6.0-inch chrome tubular assist steps, $750, heated, power-adjustable trailer tow mirrors, $310, and cargo box LED lighting, $125. To appease our backsides, we opted for the bucket seat package, $1,275. which includes heated and power-adjustable front seats, plus wireless phone charging for the center console. All in all, we built a well-equipped Silverado 2500 HD for $60,400.